Ever wish you could see your Jira project status right next to your Confluence documentation for ultimate visibility? Let's jump into creating a dynamic Jira dashboard directly within your Confluence space to supercharge your team's project awareness. First, make sure you're logged into both your Confluence and Jira accounts. Then, on the Confluence page where you want your dashboard, click the Edit button. Now, click the plus button to open the Insert menu. This is where the magic happens. Search for and select the Jira macro. This will be the tool that lets us pull our Jira data into Confluence. A pop-up will appear, offering different ways to integrate Jira data. Choose the option that lets you display a Jira issue. Filter. If you want to show all issues currently assigned to a project, you may pick the filter option. Otherwise, you may specify an issue. You'll now be prompted to select your desired Jira content here. You'll pick an existing Jira filter or enter a specific JQL query. For this example, let's try selecting a filter displaying all open tasks assigned to your team. Next, configure the display settings. You can choose which columns to show, the layout style like a table or a list, and how many issues to display at once. Play around with these options to tailor the dashboard to your needs. Now you can preview your setup. Once you're happy with the preview, save your changes by clicking Save on the Jira macro configuration, and then hit the Publish button on your Confluence page. Congrats, you've successfully created an integrated Jira dashboard within your Confluence space, offering real-time project status updates and enhancing team transparency. Experiment with different filters and layouts to refine your dashboard and keep your team informed.